What's up, everybody? I learned a new word that I wanted to share with you, and the word is metacognition. Have you ever heard that word before? It kind of dials in or ties into the whole thoughts are things or whatnot, and that gets a little bit, weird. And a lot of people are like, this is all bogus, the book The Secret, the movie The Secret, because a lot of people, me included, we tend to go too far on one side where you're like, that's all bullshit. You got to get out and take action. Thoughts are things. Come on, what am I supposed to do? Just lay around all day and wait for results to happen? I mean, that's like a common response from like me too. Like, I feel the same way. But what it is, it's not just thoughts are things, right? You can't just sit around and wish for things to happen and it's gonna happen. Not possible. It is a mixture of thoughts, feelings, and actions, right? Thoughts, feeling, and action is what creates things, right? It's what puts things into motion and actually creates things. So anyway, this word metacognition, it is where we can step out of our thoughts and just kind of watch the way that we think. It's a little bit interesting, right? So when you're kind of just thinking about a person or thinking about somebody else or thinking about yourself or thinking about maybe something negative or something that you're fearing that you don't want to happen or whatever the case may be, when we can actually step out of that instead of drowning in this river of thought, just step out to the riverbank and watch that river of thought a little bit and be like, why am I thinking that way? And just disassociate from those thoughts. It tends to take power away from those thoughts, especially the negative ones, right? So when we're feeling down, when we're feeling fear is a big one, regret, worry, shame, we could just step out of that a little bit and be like, okay, that's how I'm thinking right now. I'm gonna choose to not think that way anymore. I'm gonna choose to disempower these thoughts, and I'm gonna choose to think new thoughts. Metacognition, everybody. Hope you're having a great day.